Good morning, everybody. Today is March 4th, 2020, and this is your stock market update from beautiful Southern California. The weather is super nice right now, around 75 degrees, no rain, no wind. You know, it's almost like summer. And usually by that time, the flu season in California is over. This in Southern California is over. However, at least in my office, we got a lot of people coughing and sneezing. And you don't know what they got. So basically, you have to make up your mind and, you know, protect yourself as, you know, any way you can. So I got this N95 mask. This is the box that it came in. It's a 3M N95 mask. Bought on Amazon. Took almost one month to deliver. So I had it for already a couple of weeks. But, you know, just now I realized I gotta do something and I have to protect myself because I have 3 children to feed at home, you know, and if I don't do my work and I fall sick in America, they will go hungry because this is a capitalist country with, you know, pretty tough, you know, laws and, you know, pretty straightforward rules. If you got no money, you got no food. So, but the point is that the stock market is ignoring coronavirus threat at this point because it focuses on some stupid win by Bernie Sanders, you know, I mean by Joe Biden in Super Tuesday. And they're just happy that he was able, I guess, to beat Bernie Sanders, because Bernie Sanders is like a socialist who wants to turn America into the Soviet Union, it looks like, or Cuba, you know, by basically, you know, trying to go after rich people and make them pay what they say a fair share. At the same time, we all know that, you know, the police or the government doesn't really protect rich people more than they protect poor people. So if something happens, the same cops will come for a rich person or for a poor person to protect them. And you know, frankly, just because you're rich, it doesn't mean the government is gonna spend $1 million to protect you. You know, most likely you have to hire your own private security. So asking rich people to pay more in taxes is not actually that fair. So they are rich not because the government helps them a lot, but because they work hard, or they know more, or they got better education. But the point is, the market is ignoring coronavirus now, kind of, and focuses more on the political things and economics. So, and if that's the case, and plus we have only 9 people that are dead right now in America from coronavirus and around 100 that are infected, maybe the threat in fact is not that super you know, high, and maybe this disease, at least for America, is not super dangerous. At the same time, you know, I just you know, look how drive-through food in the fast food restaurants is so popular, and I watch people go into this drive-through line. They arrive to the window. They very often take they pay with cash, and then but the main thing is that they receive the food from the window, and then you know, they've been asked, are you gonna eat inside your car? And most people say yes. I mean, that's why they kind of drove to this thing. And what happens is that, okay, no problem, they give you just a carton or a cart where you put your food in, and you start eating that thing without washing your hands. And I think this is a pretty strong exposure to any kind of viruses that are out there, including coronavirus. So I don't know why in America this thing is not spreading that high. I mean, maybe there's a cultural thing, or I don't think people wash their hands here that often, you know. So, but somehow America is not being hit by coronavirus as much as other countries, such as Italy, where they closed all the schools now, and now it's kind of like you know, on a lockdown. So the main thing is that the market is stabilizing, and it looks like people went shopping and the stocks are going up. So if you would like to know which stocks to buy, go to the website 2stx.com. That will take you directly to the Apple App Store, where you could download, install, and run my app that covers 5,500 stocks with daily buy and sell recommendations, and you would be able to find some great stocks to buy right now. Thank you for your time, and good luck trading, and stay safe.